Hi everyone, in today's episode, we are going to talk about yes or no in Bisaya. Yes is oo. As simple as oo. Again, can you say that? That's right. And no in Bisaya is dili. Can you repeat after me? Dili. Dili is no. Dili. So let's put that into practice. Bagulang ka diri means, are you new here? If your answer is yes, what would you say? Oo, if it's a yes. And if it's a no, what would you say? That's right, it's dili. Dili. Let's have another one. Ganahan ka diri? Do you like it here? If your answer is yes, you would say, that's right, it's oo. If you don't like it here, you would say, that's right, it's dili. Gatrabaho ka? It means, are you working? If you are, you're gonna answer in Bisaya, oo. And if you're not, you're going to answer in Bisaya with, that's right, dili. So remember that, oo means yes, dili means no. Hangtod sa sunod, salamat!